Welcome to today's reading, Farm Animals by Tessa Kenan, AR, quiz number 510056, reading level 0.7. As I'm reading the story today, I want you to answer these questions. What kind of animals are on the farm? And also, who rounds up the sheep? Many animals. Cock-a-doodle-doo! A rooster crows. It is morning on the farm. In the barn, cows moo. It is time to feed them. As you can see, the cows are eating the hay. Kittens are in the barn too. They stay warm, cute. Pigs are in their pen. Look, they are new piglets. Oink, oink. Hen lay eggs. We picked them. We let the horses out of their stalls. They gallop. Sheep are in the pasture. They eat grass. The farm dog rounds them up. Woof! They go to sleep in the barn. Good night, farm animals. The end. Okay? Now we heard some different sounds from the different farm animals. What animal makes that oink sound? Did you say pig? Correct. What about cock-a-doodle-doo? Did you say a rooster? Thumbs up. Now, did we answer our questions that we had before? What are the different type of animals did you hear that will live on a farm? And also, who rounded up the sheep? The end. I hope you enjoyed the reading today. Farm Animals. Until next time, peace.